Order to be placed by NSPA through OCCAR under EDA Initiative Madrid, 25 September 2017. Airbus Defence and Space has received a firm order for 5 Airbus A330 MRTT multi-role tanker transports from Europe's Organization for the Management of Cooperative Armament Programs, OCCAR, on behalf of NATO Support Procurement Agency NSPA, and funded by Germany and Norway. The order follows the announcement on 29 June of a memorandum of understanding under which the two nations would join Netherlands and Luxembourg in the Europe-NATO Multinational Multi-Role Tanker Transport Fleet MMF program. A contract amendment signed at the OCCAR headquarters in Bonn, Germany today adds 5 aircraft to the 2 previously ordered by Netherlands and Luxembourg and includes 4 additional options to enable other nations to join the grouping. It includes 2 years of initial support. The program is funded by the 4 nations who will have the exclusive right to operate these NATO-owned aircraft in a pooling arrangement. The aircraft will be configured for in-flight refueling, the transport of passengers and cargo, and medical evacuation flights. The first 2 aircraft have already been ordered to be delivered from Airbus Defence and Space's tanker conversion line at Def near Madrid, and all 7 are expected to be handed over between 2020 and 2022. The European Defence Agency EDA initiated the MMF program in 2012. OCCAR manages the MMF acquisition phase as contract executing agent on behalf of NSPA. Following the acquisition phase, NSPA will be responsible for the complete lifecycle management of the fleet. Airbus Defence and Space Head of Military Aircraft Fernando Alonso said this new order further demonstrates the A330 MRTT's position as the world's premier tanker transport aircraft. But it also firmly establishes the MMF as one of Europe's most important collaborative programs and a model for the future European defense projects which are expected to be launched in the coming years. About Airbus. Airbus is a global leader in aeronautics, space and related services. In 2016, it generated revenues of €67 billion and employed a workforce of around 134,000. Airbus offers the most comprehensive range of passenger airliners from 100 to more than 600 seats. Airbus is also a European leader providing tanker, combat, transport and mission aircraft, and is one of the world's leading space companies. In helicopters, Airbus provides the most efficient civil and military rotorcraft solutions worldwide. Media contacts European Defence Agency Pauline Massert 32-504-2823 Pauline.massert@eda.europa.eu OCCAR Falco Fanslau 4920-8550-2116 Falco.fanslau@occar.int NATO Support and Procurement Agency Karen Tizet Vempatit 352-3063-6557 Karen.Tizet Vempatit@nspa.nato.int